Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we uncover the real gems in the beauty world. If you're anything like me, you know that your brows can totally make or break your look. But with so many brow products on the market, it can be hard to know which ones actually live up to the hype. Today, we're putting the KIKO Milano Eyebrow Wax Fixing Pencil to the test. This eyebrow pencil promises to give you that perfectly groomed look with a clear, natural finish and long-lasting hold. It's designed to shape and tame your brows without the heavy feel of typical brow gels or waxes, which sounds pretty intriguing, right? So, does it really deliver? Let's find out. First, let's talk about what this product brings to the table. The KIKO Milano Eyebrow Wax Fixing Pencil comes in a clear formula, so it's perfect for anyone who wants to shape and define their brows without adding any color. This makes it great for those who have naturally full brows, or for people who just want to lock their brow shape in place without worrying about pigmentation. The pencil is designed with a waxy consistency that promises to hold your brow hairs in place throughout the day without making them feel stiff or crunchy. Sounds promising. When I first tried it, I was impressed by how easy it was to use. The pencil glides on smoothly and applies evenly, making it simple to coat each brow hair without feeling like you need to layer product upon product. The texture is neither too greasy nor too dry, which is essential for a product that's supposed to last all day. I wore it for a full day to see how well it actually held up. I'll admit, I was curious to see how it performed through a busy day of work, errands, and even a bit of wind. What I noticed was that my brows stayed in place without any smudging or flaking. Even after wearing it for 8+ hours, the product still maintained the shape of my brows without feeling heavy or cakey. That being said, the clear formula does have some limitations. If you're someone who prefers to add more color or definition to your brows, this might not give you the structure you're looking for. Also, because it's clear, it won't fill in sparse areas, so it's best used for shaping and holding rather than filling in gaps. It works beautifully as a finishing touch after filling in your brows with a pencil or powder, but it's not going to give you a bold brow look on its own. As for the pros, the pencil is long-lasting, non-crunchy, and it keeps brows looking neat without any extra fuss. The application is effortless, and it doesn't require a lot of time to achieve a polished look. It's perfect for those who want a natural finish and hate the feeling of stiff brows. On the flip side, the cons are that it doesn't offer any color or fill. So if you have very light brows or sparse areas, you'll need another product to complete the look. Also, while it's great for setting the brows in place, it's not a miracle worker for extremely unruly brows. In terms of value, the KIKO Milano Eyebrow Wax Fixing Pencil is priced reasonably for a brow product, considering how well it performs. For those who just need a reliable brow setter, it's a solid choice. But if you're someone who's looking for something to offer a bit more versatility, like color or shape, it might not be enough on its own. There are a lot of other brow products on the market, so how does this one compare? There are clear brow gels that offer similar results, but many of them tend to be more liquidy, which can lead to flaking or a sticky texture. This pencil, however, gives a more precise application and feels lighter on the brows. When it comes to packaging, KIKO Milano kept it sleek and practical. The pencil is easy to carry around, and you don't have to worry about it spilling or making a mess. I also like that it doesn't take up much space in my makeup bag, making it a great option for on-the-go use. As for longevity, I'm pleasantly surprised at how long it lasted. Even after a busy day, it didn't wear off, and my brows still look just as fresh as when I applied it. This makes it a great option for those who don't want to keep reapplying throughout the day. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are similar products available in the market. Brands like Benefit and Anastasia Beverly Hills offer brow gels and pencils that might be priced higher, but also offer a bit more color payoff or thicker formulas. However, if you're on a budget, KIKO Milano offers an excellent option for a fraction of the cost. So what's the final verdict? The KIKO Milano Eyebrow Wax Fixing Pencil is a solid product for those looking for a natural, clear brow setter that offers long-lasting hold without feeling heavy. It's great for anyone who already has well-shaped brows and just needs a little extra help in keeping them in place. But if you need more definition or have sparse brows, you may need something else to complement it. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to support our channel and stay updated with future reviews. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest, real-world evaluations like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.